get a US bank account with Payoneer, you can follow these steps. Sign up for Payoneer. Visit the Payoneer website and sign up for an account. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, email, and date of birth. Payoneer may require additional documentation for verification purposes. Apply for a US payment service. Once your Payoneer account is approved, apply for the US payment service feature. This allows you to receive payments from US companies and marketplaces directly to your Payoneer account. Receive US bank account details. After your application is approved, Payoneer will provide you with US bank account details, including a routing number and account number. This functions as a virtual US bank account. Link to Payoneer account. Link your virtual US bank account provided by Payoneer to your Payoneer account. This allows you to easily access and manage your funds within the Payoneer platform. Receive payments. Start receiving payments from US companies and marketplaces directly to your Payoneer US bank account. You can then withdraw funds to your local bank account, use them for online purchases, or even get a Payoneer MasterCard for offline transactions.